Welcome to the Mind of STEM channel, where you're getting your daily dose of science, technology, engineering, and math. My name is Leon Jones. I am broadcasting to you live from North Vernon, Indiana, at the Crosley Lake Fish and Wildlife property. And what you see on this property, this is an actual construction site. They are doing a dam repair. I'm walking along the dam and they're digging trenches. And what you see in the foreground, you see the water. A lot of this water has been pumped from the lake down into a stream. And in the foreground, you see that they are forming a wall. And I want to show you a system that they're using to pump water. This is called the siphon system. As I'm walking over to it, and the siphon system, what it's doing, it's actually draining the lake. The siphon system is that pipe system right in front of me. You want to make sure you drain the lake for construction purposes. And going back to the foreground, you see that this site is highly protected because you have a lot of environmental policies that you must follow. And in this section, water used to come here. And what they're going to do, they're going to build another wall. You have rebar up. Also, you see formwork going up. There's a step wall. You also see rebar and forming on the step wall. You also see that these forms are used for shoring. Now on the site, geologically, you see the rock in the foreground. Looks more like igneous and metamorphic rock. And where you see the rock, that's erosion. A long time ago, the creek was at the top of the rock, and over time, the rock eroded. And when you look at the rock now, you can see the erosion and you can see the pattern. But basically, I'll take you through a tour of a construction site. And this is the construction site of a dam repair. Now what they're going to be putting over here, it's grassy. They're going to be putting some block here, and then on top of some block, it's going to be some vegetation. And the block is just reinforcement because this is a earth dam, and you want to make sure you reinforce these earth dams so they don't fail. And when they fail, you're going to have a lot of water pressure. These dams are supposed to hold the water. So in the foreground, next to this excavator, there's the creek where you see the water. There is the lake, that's Crosley Lake. Now on construction sites, no matter what it is, you have to be safe. You have to know what's going on out here. It's a little muddy, a little cool. And what we're doing, we're actually inspecting a lot of the construction work that's going on for quality control. Making sure that everybody is safe. Most of all, we're doing a dam repair. And of course, working in parks, not only do you want your dams to be safe, you want your dams to look good. Now, let me show you something as well. When they come out on a construction site, they have to stake it out. This is a grade stake. Right here, this is a station, location. This says cut. Like, go down, it says cut. What that cut is, a cut is when you take out soil, a fill is when you add soil. So on a construction site, you got to be very careful. But again, in the foreground, you see two pipes. That's a siphoning system. And at the end of the siphoning system, that's where that water is draining from this lake. And at the end of the day, you have seen a construction site of a dam repair right here, Crosley Lake Fish and Wildlife, here in North Vernon, Indiana. I thank you all for listening to the Mind of STEM channel, where you get a daily dose of science, technology, engineering, and math. Once again, my name is Leon Jones. Until next time, have a wonderful and blessed day.
So you want to pick you up for lunch, or you got the car, so you want to take that? You'd have to bear with me if you would. Thank you.
This is on the concrete where it ties to the access road.
With looking at this, it zigzags so much up through here.